It's going to be an open ideas competition, and we were going to look at, initially it was the idea where the high-speed rail was going to be. How would we begin to restitch that area through the city to its riverfront? We don't have the high-speed rail, but it's also an opportunity to begin to look at like the flows of, you know, people movement, activities, the river, which is an incredible amenity, and like we've been looking at in this urban design workshop, how do you restitch the city to the river? How do you bring the river back into the city? So it will be an open ideas competition, and the idea is that in December we'll shortlist, you know, 5 or 6 teams or proposals from that who will be invited to go into the second stage of the competition.
So basically open to anyone?
Open to anyone. Much like the High Line, if you're familiar with the High Line in New York City, it started as an ideas competition. 2003, 2 freelance writers saw this kind of overgrown wilds. It's an elevated rail that runs 1.5 miles through Manhattan. Started as an ideas competition, then it gained momentum. The new mayor, Bloomberg, was really on board with it. Architects were selected for it, and now it's actually was opened a few years ago. The second phase was just open, and it's incredibly successful, and we really hope the same thing for our Riverwalk.